歡迎收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係張富傑。喺第二次世界大戰之後，美國5星上將馬歇爾將軍幫助歐洲重建，又去過中國調停國共衝突。佢係獲得諾貝爾和平獎嘅唯一軍人。但係呢位顯赫將軍所真正嚮往嘅，卻係晚年嘅退休寧靜生活。下面睇睇我哋嘅記者唐溪明、劉恩文帶我哋去參觀一下佢嘅故居多多納莊園啦。
I'm happy to be here in the historic and hospitable home of my good friends, General and Mrs. Marshall.
呢一棟位於維吉尼亞州里斯堡嘅古老大宅，係宋美齡當年住過嘅多多納莊園，亦就係馬歇爾將軍嘅故居。
I think that the most important the thing about Dodona Manor is probably George C. Marshall. And I think that there's too little known about him. I think he had sort of an amazing influence on world history. He was cited by Churchill and Roosevelt as the greatest American of the 20th century.
被丘吉爾首相譽為20世紀美國最偉大人物嘅喬治馬歇爾，1880年出生於賓夕法尼亞州。
He graduated from VMI, and after he graduated, he took the test to get his commission into the United States Army. And on September 1st, 1939, he became U.S. Army Chief of Staff, which meant that he controlled the entire United States Army. Quite a hefty task during World War II. And in 1944, he became a five-star general, one of very few.
盛名之下嘅馬歇爾將軍同夫人凱瑟琳就一直渴望有一個悠閒居所。喺1941年，凱瑟琳夫人終於喺離首都華盛頓冇幾遠嘅維吉尼亞州里斯堡揾到咗佢哋嘅世外桃源，就係多多納莊園。
We're standing in the hallway of the Marshall House, Dodona Manor. As I mentioned earlier, it's an 1820s house with two later 19th century additions. This hallway is very typical of the federal style of architecture, where you have a center hallway with parlors on either side.
喺右邊嘅迎賓廳裏邊，有蔣夫人宋美齡畫嘅中國畫，左上角係蔣介石親筆嘅題字《雪村圖》，係由夫人作畫。而廳裏邊嘅中國家具記錄住馬歇爾同中國喺上個世紀20年代嘅緣分。
He served first in China from 1924 to 1927 as the executive officer or deputy commander of the 15th Infantry Regiment in Tientsin。
呢度嘅家私就係馬歇爾嘅第一任夫人Lily 陪佢一齊喺駐留中國嘅時候購買㗎。佢哋從中國返嚟美國冇幾耐 ，Lily 就因病去世啦。門廳嘅左邊就係客人用餐嘅餐廳，裏邊嘅家私擺設甚至牆紙嘅顏色花樣都保留住當日馬歇爾將軍當年住喺嗰度嘅一模一樣。自從馬歇爾1959年去世之後，多多納莊園經過幾十年嘅風雨滄桑，已經面目全非。1995年，喬治馬歇爾國際中心買咗呢一座莊園，並且集資86萬美元進行全面嘅裝修。臥室裏邊陳列住一張馬歇爾將軍同毛澤東妻子江青嘅合影，顯示咗馬歇爾將軍當年唔單止同中國國民黨關係密切，而同共產黨領導人亦都有交往。65歲嘅馬歇爾獲准退休，告別袍澤，返回多多納莊園，準備同凱瑟琳一齊安度晚年。凱瑟琳係馬歇爾嘅第二任妻子，佢哋喺1930年結婚之後，唔到2個星期，馬歇爾又奉杜魯門總統之命，攜同夫人再次前往中國調停國共嘅衝突。宋美齡訪問美國嘅時候，曾經多次居留喺多多納莊園。客房裏邊嘅宋美齡圖片展顯示咗馬歇爾將軍同蔣夫人嘅深厚友誼。
This is Madame Chiang Kai-shek, and there was a place they used to go as a summer capital of the President of China at Guilin, and this is them playing Chinese checkers together.
馬歇爾將軍喺50年嘅職業生涯裏邊，曾經為美國8位總統效力。1946年11月，喺調停中國國共關係失敗之後，馬歇爾返回美國出任國務卿，並且組織咗北大西洋公約組織，實施援助歐洲復興經濟嘅馬歇爾計劃。馬歇爾將軍係唯一一個獲得諾貝爾和平獎嘅軍人。
People in Europe remember him for that. When we come to When we open our doors to guests here at Dodona Manor, we have people who come from Germany. We have people who come from the Netherlands, from European countries that were recipients of the Marshall Plan. And they come into this house, and with tears in their eyes, they say, we would not have survived without the Marshall Plan. And that makes us feel that he was America's hero to the world.
斑斑駁駁嘅長椅刻畫咗歲月嘅痕跡。幾十年前，馬歇爾將軍同佢嘅夫人就係坐喺呢張椅上面飲茶閒話家常。記者唐溪銘、劉欣文喺維吉尼亞州嘅採訪報導。
好啦，今日嘅節目時間又到啦，多謝收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係張富傑，我哋喺下個禮拜翻嚟再會啊！